Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Eswak, or you can call me Grace. So guys, today I'm just assembling my baby's rocker. I don't know if I'll be able to do it. It's hard. So mniambie what's going on. Mnaendeleaje? Mmeshindaje? How is life taking you? Nitawaonyesha. Oh, let me show you guys. This is my 3 months postpartum. How do I look? That's my stomach. Bado ina heal. Nijamaliza kupona. But that's it. This is how I'm dressed, just in the house, doing nothing. I hope I get this time, because the last time I tried this, it did not go well. So this one. This screws zitatosha wapi? We acha niekelee alafu tujue. Alafu tujue ikuja. I don't know if I'm doing the right thing ama nafanya vitu zangu. Guys, masiku zinawapelekaje? How is life? Madrama za macelebs zikoje? Bado sijafuatilia. Tell me, update me. Sijui kama nafanya the right thing ama guys, it's coming along. Sasa, let's try it because she's crying. Let's see. Mama. Nani? Hey, mama. Hapo ni wapi? Nashangaa. Baby. Nashangaa nini? Like so. Guys, I did it. I did it. Hey. Hey, Mama, do you like it? Baby, do you like it, Mama? So this is the result. I've done it. I've made a rocker for my child. Yeah, she's so happy. Hey, Mama. Hey. Nani. Yay. Guys, sasa sitakuwa nateseka nikifanya kazi. I just put on the rocker, play some music. I'm supposed to have to put batteries inside here. But this one is still playing. She's so happy. Look at her. Mama, you're happy. Macha kulia. How do you feel, Mama? Anyway, guys, thank you for assembling this rocker with me. Thank you for watching my videos. Welcome again for the next video. Give this one a thumbs up. And mwah.